Hello friends, I am Malini from beadsofbling.com and today we are going to make this beautiful earring with double beehive technique. I think you can see that I have used the traditional beehive technique here but with two colors of quilling strips. So this is unique and today we are going to learn this. For this project we need flat nose pliers, scissors, a quilling tool, a round bottle cap, white glue, 2 fish hooks and 2 5mm jump rings in silver color and one plastic base. This base will help your project to not stick with the base as we are using glue, so this base is helpful. We will also need 3mm quilling paper in two colors, shocking pink and black. Now I will join one pink strip and two black strip together with glue in this manner. So 3 strips are joined together. Now I will take the bottle cap and I will roll our strips with the help of this bottle cap. I secured it with a small amount of glue. Now I will roll it along the bottle cap like this. You can see our rolling is almost completed. Now I will secure the last portion with a small amount of glue and our circle will be completed. I will release the bottle cap. And here is our circle ready. Now I will pinch the circle from one side to make a teardrop shape like this. So the basic shape of our earring is ready. Now I will take one pink strip and one black strip and hold them together. Just remember, we don't need glue, we just holding them together like this, so that pink is outside and black is inside. Now I will attach our quilling tool with it and I will make a beehive. I have completed the double beehive here and I will snip off the excess. So here one beehive is completed. We have to make 2 such beehives. I have made another one. I will snip off the excess. Now we need to join these beehives in this teardrop shape earring. I will smear glue in the inside edge of the teardrop like this. The whole inside edge, the pink side, should be covered with glue. now I'll keep it here and I will attach the beehive inside it like this. So one beehive is attached. Now we need to dry this and I will attach the next beehive inside it. Now I will smear glue inside this beehive like this to attach the next beehive with this one to fill the gap completely. I have smeared the glue inside. Now I will attach the next beehive with this one to fill this gap. These beehives are very delicate, so you need to handle them carefully. This row is completed, so I will snip off the excess and I will adjust this one here. Now we have very small gap inside. I will attach this one inside with a small amount of glue. I am smearing the glue inside. And I will attach the beehive here, cut off the excess and adjust it inside. So here the earring is almost ready. We need to just attach the jump ring and fish hook. After drying, attach the jump ring. Firstly open the jump ring, then insert it inside the earring like this. Now attach the fish hook. Now we have to close the mouth of the jump ring with the flat nose pliers like this. So our double beehive earring is ready. I have completed 2 earrings. Here you can see our earrings are ready. I have another color option for you. Here you can see I have used 3 colors, blue, red and yellow, to make this double beehive earring. You can have other color options also. They look beautiful and you can easily make them in your home. Thank you.